Ever wanted to have super fast renders without wasting time setting up every single time, or endlessly tweaking your render properties? Well, now you can improve your renders in both Eevee and Cycles. Turn your terrible looking Eevee renders from this into this with one click. And you can also improve your Cycles render speeds up to 97% faster. Remember, all renders are different, but results vary from 80 to 100% faster. Let's dive in. So here we have a super simple scene using a free model from Blender Kit. Everything in this file is standard. No settings have been changed in Eevee or Cycles. The only thing we will do is add our lighting setup that's built into the add-on and get straight into showing you what our add-on can do. Let's do it. Render 1. Here it is, rendered in 0.65 seconds. Now that's very fast, but very, very bad. Okay, render 2. Now let's go to our PolyRender Pro add-on and select Eevee Pro. And just look at the difference already.
Oh, wow!
So let's render again. This one took 3.16 seconds. Here they are side by side. The one on the left is standard Eevee settings, and the one on the right is with our one-click Eevee settings. Now render 3 and on to Cycles. The standard setup when you open Blender. But of course, we'll change our device settings from CPU to GPU because we don't have all data weight. So let's hit render and wait. And here's the results. 2 minutes and 43 seconds. So let's grab this render, put it aside, and get onto the part you've all been waiting for. Render 4. Let's see how our one-click optimization works. Click Optimize Cycles. It will automatically apply all the settings and switch you to Cycles. Now you can render your image and wait. A very short 22.97 seconds. That is 85% faster than the original Cycles render. And then let's see how these two look side by side. The one on the left is the default, and the one on the right is our optimized version. Now this add-on doesn't stop there. We focused on optimizing your render speed, so why not focus on optimizing your file size too? Removing unwanted meshes and materials can be time-consuming and painful, especially removing materials. So why not do that again with one click? Here we added loads of unused materials and an unused cube. So all you do is check the options to remove unused meshes and materials, then hit Run Cleanup. At the bottom, you'll see what was removed. For meshes, it will only remove those hidden from render. It's as simple as that. If you enjoyed this and think it will help, please head over to the link in our description to download. This is currently free for a short time, so please like, share, and subscribe. It helps support us and allows us to offer free add-ons. See you in the next one.